Hello students, welcome to today's online classes. Our topic today is compound interest formula. Let's quickly take an explanation on compound interest formula. The simple interest for a particular year is I is equals to P times T times R all over 100. We are all familiar with this formula. While the amount at the end of a particular year will be interest plus principal, comma, which forms the principal for the next year. If you recall from our previous video on compound interest, we made use of this interest plus principal to calculate the principal for the next year. Full stop. Hence, the amount at the end of the first year thus becomes P open bracket 1 plus R over 100 close bracket. And after n years, it will be principal open bracket 1 plus R all over 100 close bracket all raised to power n. Therefore, for compound interest, the total amount at n becomes amount is equals to P open bracket 1 plus R over 100 close bracket all raised to power n. And the compound interest is equals to P open bracket 1 plus R over 100 close bracket raised to power n minus P. Now let me do some explanation here. Our amount here is equals to principal open bracket 1 plus rate all over 100 all raised to power n, which is our year. It's very important for us to calculate this, because for us to be able to get our compound interest, amount need to be calculated. After doing that, we now minus our principal. We'll minus our principal from it. Now let's quickly take an example on compound interest. Example 1. Find the compound interest on 25,000 naira in 6 years at 2% per annum. Solution. Principal is equal to 2,500 naira, which is given from our question. N is equal to 6 years, also given from our question. R is equal to 2%, also from our question. This is the formula for calculating amount. Now what we will now do now, we will now substitute all these values back to this formula for us to be able to calculate our amount. A is equals to 2,500 naira, open bracket 1 plus 2 over 100, close bracket all raised to power 6. We are going to apply BODMAS here. In doing that, we are going to solve the ones in bracket first. Now we have our amount equals to 2,500 open bracket 1 plus 0.02 all raised to power 6, because 2 divided by 100 is 0.02. Amount is equals to 2,500 naira open bracket 1.02 all raised to power 6. Now 1 plus 0.02 will give us 1.02. Amount is equals to 2,500 times 1.1262, because 1.02 raised to power 6 will give us 1.1262. Now, therefore, our amount is equals to 2,815 naira 50 kobo. Now the compound interest. The compound interest is equals to principal open bracket 1 plus r over 100 close bracket raised to power n, which we have calculated, which is 2,815 naira 50 kobo. So minus our principal. So which is this? So our CI, which is our principal, is equals to 2,815 naira 50 kobo minus 2,500, which is our principal. Our answer will now be 315 naira 50 kobo as our answer for our compound interest.